Hello everyone, this is Mike Grady from NovaStar. Today I would like to share our mControl 4K controller and an A8s NTS receiving card. With the pixel pitch becoming smaller and smaller, the traditional controller is no longer fit the requirement for the high-end system integrated and rental market. So we designed mControl 4K. mControl 4K supports real 4K resolutions and also HDR technologies. It is the first product to provide a total 4K HDR solutions. That is why it can won Commercial Integrator Award for Best Video Component or Processor in 2018. For our receiving card A8s and A10s, it is very small, but it has the strong functions. It is, for example, the 1K restore RCFG file, auto backup for the firmware, and auto calibration and mapping. Besides that, it also has the 18-bit plus technology and ClearView technologies. By using that, it can help you to improve your image quality a lot. As we know, HDR technology is becoming more and more popular because it can increase the brightness, the dynamic range, and also the color depth, as well as widening the color gamut to beat BT 2020. For NovaStar HDR technology, it follows the standard of HDR10 and HLG. By using NovaStar HDR, it can help you to make your LED screen more accurately approach the real-world colors. By using NovaStar HDR technologies, it can help you to make your LED wall more accurately approach the real-world colors, whatever the normal LED industry or broadcast industries. Okay, if you would like to know more information, please come to visit our InfoComm post 2773. Thank you.